Hi guys, today we are watching the greenery of villages of North Gujarat in India. Let's start the journey. Guys, you are looking the road joining Visnagar to Unja. Our journey is starting from Visnagar ITI crossroad to Unja. This is the village road of 2 lanes. The road is generally smooth. Beside the road, there are lots of societies, shops, factories, and shopping malls too. There are 2 big temples on this road. First is Lord Ganesha and the second is Ma Umiya. Therefore, people are going to darshan Lord Ganesha and Ma Umiya. Here somewhere road is dirty in the area of cow shelter. This is morning time, therefore transportation is less, but after 1 or 2 hours there will be heavy traffic. This is the school on left hand side. There are some bumps to control the speed of vehicle. Now this is the main road and middle of them there is divider. Here some roads are of RCC. On the left hand side there is a petrol pump. Also one hotel is there on the left hand side. The movement of people is starting now. Road is smooth. Here both side 2 lanes road. Beside the road there are lots of trees and we can see greenery here. In the middle, electricity working is running on, and wire we can see. People are going by their 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers or 3-wheelers. Some cars are going fast and some slow. Now, this is the first village named Kasa. This is the first gate of this village. This is a big village and therefore here 3 bus stops are there. Many people are staying in this village. People use open tempos for his own transportation. Somewhere road work is going on the both sides. We can see the development of the village. This is the second gate of the village. Generally the road is smooth, but somewhere some patches are there. Divider work is also running on. Some bump are there. This is the third gate and third bus stop of the village. And on the left hand, this is the Umia temple of the village. People are moving here and there. One car is overtaking us. This is a big shopping mall. Some vendors are standing here because here is one garden. The name of this garden is Tirupati Garden. It is also known as Tirupati Natural Park, and people are coming to visit the park. This is the wall of Tirupati Natural Park. Some people are coming by feet and some are coming by vehicles. This is the bridge on the river. Under the bridge there are many honeycombs, so it is necessary to take care. Now, besides the road, there are many trees and lots of greenery on the road. This is the inside scene of our car. Our car is also going fast. On the left hand side we can see the godown. This type of many godowns nearby Unja. On the other side too, many godowns are there. Here fields are small but green. What is happening in the car? Here family members are eating some snacks. Beside the road, some fields are there. Some cows are resting. One car is overtaking the rickshaw. Actually, a rickshaw is for only 3 passengers, but here we can see 6 to 8 passengers in the rickshaw. This is the nearby area of Unja. In Unja, there is a big market yard. This market yard is famous for Jiru, means cumin, and Variali. Now we are nearby Unja, and this is the Kevaleshwar Mahadev nearby Unja. This is the Goga temple. Some passengers are going for darshan of Ma Umia by rickshaws. This is the nearby area of Unja, therefore Many rickshaws are there. Here, houses are different from others and expensive. They are the houses of tycoons of market yard of Unja, and therefore richery can be seen here. Now we are in the Unja city. Big houses and societies are running fast.